Fussy baby. And mommy trying to do her hair. Was you mad or stink a bum? Was you mad or stinky bum? So of course I can't get anything done because he wants his milk. Come on. Come on with it. You know I got the milk for you, baby. My boy, the babies do not care. Hair and all. I'm trying to finish braiding my hair. And he's just like, girl, if you don't feed me. But, yes. So, I am trying to braid my hair. But someone says otherwise. Oops. He wants to eat. Him wants to eat. So right now he is feeding. Uh-oh. Slow down, poop. Little hand under there. It's not chicken. What? Mia, what are you doing? Alright, go clean that stuff up. Put your bowls on the counter if y'all done. I'll clean it up. Kids. So my baby is very, very spoiled. And I've been having to do everything with him sitting on my lap. Or me holding him strapped to my chest. I don't mind. Because if you ask me, babies are supposed to be spoiled. They're babies once. And all of my other 3 were spoiled. So why wouldn't I spoil the last one? You know? But since he's bigger now, he just sits in this position. As you can see, he's just sitting. And he's very big and healthy. So he's sitting and he is feeding. And he's very, very happy. But yeah, that's my boy right here. Like, yeah. Today I woke up on the right side of the bed. The sun is out, it's shining, and I'm trying to finish my hair. So I have my hair, purple hair laid out. I'm trying to finish adding it to the ends so my hair can be done. I don't have my glasses on. I do not be wearing them all the time. I need another pair. I need to upgrade to something very, very nice. Something a little more bold. You see him? Look. Then if I pull my shirt up, it's just no. He wants to lay on it also. Babies will do what they want to do. But today, it will be bath day for him. As you can see in that first video, he hated the bath. Hopefully this time, because he's a couple weeks older and I don't know how to wash him in the sink anymore. So hopefully he will sit in the bath fine. Because when I shower with him, we shower together. So when I shower with him, he is perfectly fine. Knocked out, sleeping, but it's like your milk is right there and everything. So I feed him in the shower. Everything's all in once. So it's a win-win situation for me. But holding him while you're in the shower and he's so heavy now, oh, it's like my back is screaming. So what I would do is feed him in the shower, wash him up. Well, I'll wash first and Dad'll bring him to me. Then I'll put him in there with me. We'll sit in the water and I'll just talk to him and we're just bonding. I was going to say vibing. But we're just bonding. So I'm in the shower bonding with him. Then, excuse me, after that, I'll feed him, you know, turn him over. Because I'll just hold him on my chest, let the water run on his back. Then I'll just hold him, get him in a position, start feeding him. He'll eat, pass out. Then he's passed out when I wash him up, when he's getting dressed. And after that, it's the best nap in the world. So I wash him with lavender or use Dr. Teal's. They're very, very, very good. They actually do what they say. Like calming your baby. What's the other one? Helping them to nap at night. So, yeah, I really like it and I advise it. But I was trying to see if he was going to get back up to feed. But this boy is like, I just needed to sit. So let's see if I can get him up so I can burp him. Hold on. Hold on. Don't do no fast movements now. Mommy Bisnae is out. Not anymore. I need to clean my tongue. I just got finished eating though. Oh Lord, hold on. Because I was watching the movie. I'm missing it. But yes. So this is our morning video for today. I'm trying to do my hair. So like, I don't even know if I got enough purple. So I'm gonna find out. I gotta count all these braids. But I think I gotta get some more purple. I slacked on that. Because I bought like 10 packs of hair and only 2 purples. But I guess I should have bought 3 purples. But maybe because I used some purple for my daughter hair. So. Are you? And see, this is what I mean. If I lay him down though. Right now. Sometimes he doesn't burp right away. So I will lay him down after trying to burp him and he doesn't. Then it will just come out. But. Right now, let's see if you're going to give me anything. So right now I'm just trying to burp him. Let's see if you could see that I am sitting his fat butt up on me like this. See how he's peeking. Like, girl, I'm not ready to burp. So, oh, I got, oh, you gave you mommy a burp, fat man. Good job, baby. Good job. Look at that. But if I lay him right here, he's going to fuss and complain. So this is what I would have to do if I wanted to do my hair. Take him, fold my leg, like when he was a baby. Sit him here. And as long as he is on me, I will be able to do my hair. Let me see. Do your butt smell sweet again? Oh my gosh. She dropped another bomb on me. So, I'm going to change my fat boy now. Because guess what he did? He did a nice poop. The best part about babies when they poop, go away, is when they poop. Best part about breastfeeding your baby is that when they poop, it doesn't smell horrible. I call it the candy smell. It smells very sweet. So when I smell it, it's like you get used to it after. I got 4 kids, so I definitely know the smell. And they all were breastfed, so yeah. But it smells very sweet, and I'd be like, oh my gosh, you need to be changed. So, I'm going to change my stinking right now. Pop this pamper open, and we're going to throw a wipe over his private. See, this stuff is yellow. You see the butt. The butt is okay. But wipe it with see, it's yellow, and it's gonna be yellow for some time because it's breastfeeding poop. I love this poop. And plus he's what do you call it? He's still small. So I'm holding his feet together. Wipe them. I'm gonna move this. Put this under there. I'm gonna wipe them off. Nobody's business to see you. So I'm wiping him, but I'm covering him. So we don't want y'all seeing his gonads. So I got a big baby. So I gotta play with the pamper. I think I'm gonna go up a size. This is a size 2 diaper. Grabbing the flaps, putting them on. Grabbing these flaps. See why he's stretching out? Hurry up, pop it open. Stick it on. Put your baby onesie back on. So, yeah. After, then take it, roll it on up, close it up. So small, you know, it's like a little present. Then I give it to one of my kids to throw. Mia! Throw this out for me, baby. And y'all need to stop jumping. Ooh, oh, you almost caught it. Maybe next time. Gotta be quicker. But, hey, baby. As you guys can see.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. My little man is burped, fed for now, and clean. It looks like he wants more food, though. You see how his head is going to the side? Oh. He might want some more milk. Do you want some more milkies? We're going to find out. But for now, I'm just going to sit him on my lap. And that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, guys, you can now become members. Get your memberships to my channel. It comes with amazing perks. You get shout outs. You get a lot. So, make sure you guys become members. Look up the memberships. It should be right on there. When we do the live chats, you guys will be able to join, and it will prompt you from there. We will be doing a live chat today because I wasn't able to do it yesterday. I got so mommied up. Uh-oh. That it slipped my mind, but well, I became busy. I didn't forget about it. I'm usually a man of my word, so we will be doing our Q&A for the spouses today, and make sure that you guys tune in. It'll probably be 5-ish, maybe. We shall see with the time. So I never like to put an exact time on anything because mom life is hectic. You never know what's going to happen. So it will be today. I know that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. And thanks for the support. Like, comment, and subscribe.